everybody. Today I wanted to take a second and I wanted to talk about the way that ChatGPT was going to affect the restoration industry. Now, if you didn't know, ChatGPT is the latest in the chatbots, or natural language processors, and it can answer a lot of questions that it's asked. No matter your opinions on the technology, it's headed our way and the carrier is starting to use it in everyday activities. So let's hop in and take a look at the way that restoration can use it to benefit us. Now, what I'm most interested in is its factual answering portion, and it's where a technician would go to ask it questions that it otherwise would have asked their manager. So I preloaded a few questions that I'm about to ask it. As you can see right here, I'm going to go ahead and say, what is the moisture level supposed to be of drywall? Hit submit, and that's pretty impressive. Let's ask it the next one. How many fans should I use to dry a room that's been water damaged? Now, it's been trained on a bunch of text, and I would imagine on some of that text being the IICRC. However, I don't know that for sure. But if it's answering questions to this level of accuracy, I'm pretty impressed by it overall. And imagine the amount of time it frees up, the ability to just go in here, ask it these questions. It removes the need to constantly have to call somebody and ask it the questions that a MIT guy normally has. Now, if you guys want me to ask it any questions that you think could stump it, or if you have any thoughts on it, if it's going to be the end of restoration as we know it, or it's going to be the dawning of our new age, I'd love to hear about them. Matt@identishot.com. Shoot me any emails. As always, if you want to tell me I'm wrong, glad to hear those out too. That's Matt@identishot.com. And I'm excited to talk about the next thing.